Honey Badger here, doing another walkthrough video on a Freedom Express travel trailer. I love these things. They're amazing travel trailers, lightweight, half-ton towable. This one is a 259 RBS with plenty of pass-through storage, power tongue jack. Now this one on the lot at Paris RV had electric stabilizers as well. So they're all prepped for backup camera. They have a roof to access the ladder. Now, compared to the other two floor plans I did, this one has a bigger outside kitchen. Now let's remind everyone that refrigerator that's right there is like one you pick up at Walmart. You have to have it plugged in order for it to work. So you have to be plugged in a campsite or generator. You got outside speakers. It comes with a grill. The Power Awning is, again, almost the full length of the coach. Guys, most of the time you're going to spend yourself outside. You're going to spend more time outside in the campfire in the outside kitchen than you are inside. But let's say it's a rainy day and you want to watch a little NFL football. You have yourself some theater seating. And when we swivel around here, you're going to see a booth dinette, and the TV is in the right spot where nobody's turning their neck, unless you're on the back side of the booth, of course. Above the theater seating, you're going to get some nice cabinet space. Put anything you really want, pots, pans, plates. It's really an extension of your kitchen because it is a small coach. That is theater seating, as I demonstrate right there. They recline. And then underneath the booth dinette is going to be doors that open up to put more storage. And of course, it does turn into a sleeper that could probably fit one, maybe 1.5 adults. You got a fireplace and a decent sized kitchen. It doesn't have a ton of counter space, but realize you're in the under 30 foot mark at this point. So there isn't going to be big kitchen counter space. So use that portable table as an extension when you're cooking, especially if you're cooking inside. Now, they didn't waste any space in the coach. They gave you plenty of storage for your kitchen. It's just scattered between the dinette and the overhead cabinets. And then it's a little sneaky, but right here you got an 8 cubic foot refrigerator. Now that one is propane and electric, but on the other side of it, that's where your pantry is. Boom. And then you got a couple of more drawers below the pantry. Now, as we head into the bathroom, this is humongous. You got plenty of space, got good chicken wing space on the toilet. You got a nice tall shower. Now, there isn't a lot of counter space around the sink, but you can get creative with that. And then, of course, the best part is the closet space in the bathroom. You get more closet space in the bathroom than you do in the bedroom. It's huge. Now, of course, we sit on the toilet, show you everything, how tall the shower is. Now, what I didn't film was the walk around queen bed because there was too much glare.